Audio ducking. This feature is beneficial for users who are working on videos that incorporate two soundtracks. With this, you can lower the volume of one track automatically to dominate the other track. No matter if you're creating podcasts, YouTube explainers, or voiceover videos, this tool can assist you. Along with this, you can also manage the volume of the suppressing tracks with the help of sliders. AI Audio Denoise. This intuitive feature has the capability to remove unwanted and irritating background noises from both audio and video files. Moreover, you can also make audio more optimized with reverb reduction, hiss removal, or hum removal sliders. It can make any audio more apparent and more pleasurable to hear. That's all for today. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.